I'm repairing a Briggs & Stratton 21 horsepower single-cylinder engine, hashtag B1, code 090723ZD. Need to know what valve clearances should be set at.
Hello, my name is Jack, Mr. Putt-Putt. I will do my best to assist you today. I am sorry to hear you are having problems with your Briggs & Stratton. I run a MTD Troy built warranty and repair center, and I am a certified Briggs factory tech. Just a min while I look that up for you. Model 330,000 vertical series engines specifications: armature air gap 0.008, 0.012 in. 0.20. 30 mm, crankshaft end play 0.002, 0.020 in. 0.05. 51 mm, spark plug gap 0.030 in. 76 mm, valve clearance, intake 0.003, 0.005 in. 0.08. 13 mm, valve clearance, exhaust 0.003, 0.005 in. 0.08. 13 mm, fastener torque specifications: torque air cleaner base 50 pounds in. 6 Nm, alternator 20 pounds in. 2 Nm, armature 30 pounds in. 3 Nm, blower housing 90 pounds in. 10 Nm, breather 30 pounds in. 3 Nm, carburetor to intake manifold 70 pounds in. 8 Nm, carburetor solenoid 40 pounds in. 5 Nm, connecting rod 150 pounds in. 17 Nm, control bracket 30 pounds in. 3 Nm, crankcase sump 220 pounds in. 25 Nm, cylinder head 220 pounds in. 25 Nm, cylinder shield 40 pounds in. 5 Nm, exhaust manifold, adapter 165 pounds in. 19 Nm, flywheel nut 100 pounds to foot. 135 Nm, flywheel fan 140 pounds in. 16 Nm, fuel pump 90 pounds in. 10 Nm, governor lever nut 40 pounds in. 5 Nm, intake manifold to cylinder head 90 pounds in. 10 Nm, muffler 90 pounds in. 10 Nm, oil drain plug, side 100 pounds in. 11 Nm, oil fill tube 90 pounds in. 10 Nm, oil pump cover 90 pounds in. 10 Nm, regulator, rectifier 40 pounds in. 5 Nm, rewind starter 30 pounds in. 3 Nm, rocker ball set screw or nut 45 pounds in. 5 Nm, spark plug 180 pounds in. 20 Nm, starter motor 140 pounds in. 16 Nm, rocker cover 60 pounds in. 7 Nm. Above is a listing of specs for your engine. Both valves are 0.003. 005.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.